So I've had this little Kubota G4200 for a while, probably 5, 6 years. I kind of just bought it as a toy, and I ran into an issue where I thought it was the starter that was the problem. Just intermittent, wouldn't always turn over. Sometimes the starter would spin and it wouldn't engage with the flywheel. And I bought this mower from a local school, and the mower had been stolen. And I'm told that the school recovered the mower and then they got it running again and put it up for sale. And I'm just looking through and I found this, which doesn't make any sense to me at all, other than like a safety security lock thing. Because if you take this off of here, it breaks the connection and then you don't have power to your starter, so the key doesn't work. I actually went and put a new starter on the freaking thing because I thought the starter was the problem. The problem is actually this connection in here isn't good. Like, I'm moving these wires around and I can hear, let me do it. So you don't hear the fuel pump at all. You hear the fuel pump now? Hopefully the phone camera is picking it up. You can hear that click and the fuel pump come on. See, but as I move it around, it goes away. So I think that, let me shut the fuel pump off. You hear it, hopefully. I think that the school put this in as like, you can just pop this off and then the mower won't start. This was like a safety lock thing, so the mower wouldn't get stolen again. But whoever did it didn't make good connections in here. So what's happening is we're not getting good power to the starter. I think I'm just going to get rid of all this and connect this red wire back to itself, and hopefully that solves my problem. I'm just curious if anybody's ever seen somebody do this as like a security lock, because you know these Kubotas, you can buy the damn keys off the internet. They're all I have a set of universal keys for all kinds of equipment. It's a giant ring. It's like $40 and you can start everything. But this right here, no start. So I think it's a good idea. It's just whoever did it didn't put this connection together correctly. But I'm just curious if anybody else has seen it. Hope everybody is enjoying the start of spring we're having here. It's beautiful outside today. So got this thing going to run around the property. Have a good one.